I was this close to quitting. But instead of doing that, I'm making some goddamn changes around here how I operate my urban garden. You see this mess? I'm reorganizing, like a ruthless corporation who's about to lay off a bunch of employees to replace them by robots. It's our future, America. Get used to it. Essentially, I'm scaling down and consolidating and rethinking my approach to growing shit. Let me show you. So my plan is to move these shelves into this grow tent and then assemble this surprise system. Well, seems like I might have fucked up because maybe the shelves don't fit in the stupid tent. As you can see, they're halfway in and all the way. I swear to God, the tent is 4 feet. These shelves are 4 feet. Okay, plan B, get rid of the tent. It's an eyesore anyway. I hate it in here. So let's just get rid of it. Can't fit the shelves in there. And there you have it. A brand new setup and a brand new outlook on this whole urban gardening thing. My plan from here is to systemize each shelf to grow the simplest thing possible, leafy greens, and to do it in an economically stable fashion. In other words, to grow greens at a cost cheaper than what I can get at the grocery store. And if I fail this time, I'm the Aaron, you're the audience. This is Hydro Solo. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.
They got bean burritos in prison.